Hi, this is Mike Wellman from mygooglemaster.com. Today I'm going to explain to you a little bit about setting up a basic Google Analytics account. For this you will need to have a Google account. It doesn't necessarily need to be a Gmail account. It can be your account that is linked to what is called a Google account. So over here I'm going to do it for a client of mine, and I'm going to put in his, first of all, we're going to go to google.com/analytics and it will take you to this page. Then we're going to put in his username and password, and we're going to sign in. Google will then take us to its first page and it will ask us to sign up for Google Analytics. You can see over here on the left in the center of the screen. I'm going to click sign up, and then it's going to ask me for a website URL to put in. Over here you should put in your website URL. I'm going to put it in for my customer at the moment. The account name, you can give it whatever you want. I like to call it the name of the person's business. Where the business is located, what time zone. And over here, this business is actually in South Africa. So I'm going to look for South Africa, click over there, and I'm going to click continue. It then asks me for a little bit of my details, put that in. Country or territory, once again, South Africa. There we go. Okay, and continue. Gives us its terms and conditions. You can sit down and read that. We won't go through it now. Create a new account, and then it will give me the code that needs to be pasted into my actual website. Now, if you are using a content management system like Drupal or Joomla or WordPress, many of these have modules to do it. Otherwise, you would actually need to take this code and put it onto every page that you want tracked by Google. And over here, you can see in the center your UA number. This would be the number that you would put into your content management systems like Drupal or Joomla, and you wouldn't need to actually go and continue the whole process of cutting and pasting it into every single one of your pages. Once you've done that, save and finish, and then Google will give you this screen, and over here you can see the status, and it'll basically tell me the status of whether Google is tracking my data or not. Now at the moment I haven't gone and changed the information on my web page, so Google won't see it. So if we go into edit over here, we'll see up at the top right corner it says tracking unknown, check status. Once you have gone and implemented that little piece of code into your website or into your content management system, you would then click check status, and generally speaking, your status will be tracking installed, waiting for data. And then it will take maybe a day or so before you actually start seeing the data come and be streamed through. Now I'm actually going to sign out and go into one of my accounts to show you a little bit about the strength of analytics. And obviously this presentation is made for someone who just basically wants to monitor their sites, monitor the number of hits that they have to their site, etc. So let's go and have a look at one of my clients' accounts over here, and let's go take one where there's some nice traffic. And basically in analytics you will see the last month's activities on a whole on your dashboard, and over here we can see the number of entries this person has on average per day into his site. In the site usage, we see in the last month this person has had 7,415 visits. He's had 26,000 page views. New visits, which is 80%. This is very, very good. The average time on the site is 2.5 minutes, which is also pretty good. Your bounce rate is how long a person stays on your site before they actually leave or go out to another site, and anything under 50% is generally pretty good. Once again, another visitors overview graph. You can see a map of where most of your visitors are coming from, your traffic source, the pages that most of your visitors, the highest page views for your pages, And then there are a lot of other features. You can set up funnels, you can track the sources, the visitors, how many unique visitors you have. For example, this site has 6,500 unique visitors every single month. There are plenty of other tutorials out there on advanced Google Analytics. Basically, if you're just getting into tracking what's happening with your website, you want to see if you've got traffic, if the person that's doing SEO for you, or if you're doing SEO for yourself, if it's helping you, you can have a look at this graph and get the basic gist of what users are doing on your site and how many people are going into your site. Once again, with all my tutorials, you can go to my site, www.mygooglemaster.com. You can download this video over there and other presentations that might help you. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.